Hey guys, welcome to another RDA episode. Today we're going to talk about the best software for graphic design, and it can also help you vectorize and make your own designs. And yes, I am talking about CorelDraw 6. First of all, let me apologize if you hear noise in the background. I'm in a public place, but let's get right on the tutorial. So basically here on the left, you will see this dashboard. And today we're gonna make a logo for a lawn care company, and we're gonna make up a name, and let's make Matthews Lawn Care. Actually, let's do this all capital letters. I think I spelled it wrong. There we go. Matthews Lawn Care. All right. Now we're gonna choose a bold text, and in this occasion I'm gonna use Impact. That's a really nice bold font that you can use. So now what I'm gonna do is turn this font into an arc or a rounded shape design. So basically what I'm gonna do here is draw a rectangle like this, and then we're gonna go to arrange and go to shaping and click weld. Now we're gonna double click and right click on the mouse, and you will see this list and choose to curve. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna curve this like this. Now what we're gonna do is choose the font and go to window, then choose Dockers, and you will find this list and get envelope. Or let me show you another trick. You can just click there and click CTRL on your keyboard and then keep it pressed and then F7, and it's the same. You will see the same tool, which is envelope. Now you're gonna click on this icon that says create from. Then you're gonna click and then choose this shape that we made here, and then you will see what's gonna happen. It's gonna turn this font into this shape. Now we can get rid of that. All right, so now we can get rid of this, and now what we're gonna do is add this font. It's still kind of plain, so we're gonna add some outline or contour, and the way you're gonna do it is click CTRL, keep it pressed, and then F9, and then you will see the contour tool. Now by default, you're gonna get the middle one, which is inside contour. You're not gonna do an inside, you're gonna do outside. So make sure you click on the far right side, outside contour, and kind of play with the settings. Go down until you find the perfect thickness for your contour. And we're gonna change this to a different color. Now we're gonna go to arrange and break contour apart. Okay, now the red and the black are separate. Now we're gonna add another contour to this black outline, but we're actually gonna turn it blue and then apply, and there you have it. Now we can close this and go to arrange, break apart, and now we're gonna pick on the blue one, which was the first contour, and now pick on the new black one because we want to trim this. Okay, we're gonna pick on the blue and then the black one, then trim, and now you can get rid of the blue one, and we're gonna keep the second contour that we added. Okay, actually let's go smaller. All right, so here we got something now, And since this is for a lawn care company, we're gonna turn this green. Okay, now I'm gonna draw a leaf, and those are very easy to draw. So here on the left, you're gonna find this dashboard, and just pick this one right here and choose the Bezier tool. Basically, this one is just for tracing images. So we're gonna do kind of like a triangle shape. Actually, it's a little bit more. Okay. See that? See what I'm doing? And then, all right. So that's gonna be a leaf. Now double click, and we're gonna click right on the scanner on the right and to curve. And this one again, click to curve. We're gonna go here. Now we can get rid of this dot. Now right click to curve, and right click to curve, and we're gonna get rid of this dot. And now what we're gonna do is click right and to curve. And now we have a leaf. See, now we're gonna make a copy. We're gonna make this smaller. Make a copy here and mirror. Make it bigger so it doesn't look the same. All right, now we got something here. All right, and we're gonna click weld so they're all together. Now we're gonna highlight this with the font and click C for center, and now the leaves are center. All right, now let's find a mock-up so we can send to the customer. All right, so now we found us a nice truck, a GMC pickup truck, and we're gonna send the customer the sample so that way you guys make that sale and get the attention. What we're gonna do here is do weld and CTRL, keep it clicked, F7, and then we're gonna go add present, apply. You're gonna choose the very first one, apply, get rid of that. Now let's zoom in. So what we're gonna do here, it's gonna make this design. Okay, I think it's a little crooked, but no problem. You can just fix it. Make it smaller. Make sure you do not do the handle or the brand here. Okay, that should look good. Now let's zoom out, and you can send the customer the sample of how it's gonna look like. You can do this even black or dark green. Either one looks good. Well guys, this was a quick tutorial for the best software for graphic design, which is CorelDraw software, and we hope that you learned something, and if you did, give us a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks guys.